Hi and welcome to a new video. I will show you today how to replace your car key battery on your VW Polo 2011. For more videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks! So these keys are from a 5th generation Polo, and they were made from 2009 till 2017. And we have here the remote car key for it, and we will replace the battery. It's a really easy step, you don't need any special skills, but maybe you just, if you never try it, you can follow this video and yeah, you can replace it by yourself. It's an easy tutorial. You can try to use help of a small screwdriver here, which you need to place in this small hole on the bottom side here, and then try to lift it up a little bit. If it don't work, you can try to lift it up with a fingernail. Sometimes it's working, sometimes you need a little bit help with your screwdriver, and then just go with your fingers or with a little pry tool, like a plastic tool. Okay, there we go. So the cover is removed. You see? I will try to place it here in place again, just to make it more clear that you can also work just with your fingers. See? It's also possible. Okay, once the top cover is removed here, then we can use the help of a small screwdriver, and the battery will just pop out immediately, okay? Now we're going to place a new battery inside with a plus on the top, the same as it was before. I'm using here a new Maxo battery. They are actually CR 2032 batteries. Put it here in place, push it in. It has to make the click sound. Okay, nice in place, and then we just put back the cover. You put the cover back from the left to the right side, as it's easier. There are some small clips here. Put it from here, from that side, and then just push it in, click, and that's it. So your battery is changed and it should work normally. So if you need a battery, you can order them from the video description link. I will put a link there. And if you need anything else or just a question, you can comment below. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to donate, there is also a donate link in my video description link. Thank you, and see you soon.